What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, as well as Bitcoin, QQQ, and the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's video, we have to talk about what happened on Sunday, because that was actually quite surprising. Yesterday, we started exploding. Like XRP and a lot of the major cryptocurrencies saw a major rebound and pump to the upside here. And I'm curious to see where the other cryptocurrencies and the stock market is as of right now, because it was definitely unexpected. We knew we were getting close to seeing some sort of break, but nobody would have believed that we were going to see it come the weekend here. So it happened a bit earlier than we expected. We do have a lot of things to look at, but let's just to start, you can see XRP exploded yesterday, up 37%. This is unbelievable. And then today we are correcting to the downside, which again is okay. It's not too bad just yet, because now we're outside of this major resistance, which is good news, as it could cause for a reversal to the upside here. What I mean by that is we're in a beautiful bull flag formation here, and as I've said consistently within this descending fractal, this bull flag, statistically, they textbook break to the upside here. We're just waiting for a closure above that resistance, which is what we had last night, which was that buying opportunity. Yes, we have fallen down, but I don't believe we'll break through. There's a good chance now we can start our ascent to the upside, which is what we'll cover in today's episode. Solana did the same thing. Broke outside major resistance, confirmed closure on the daily. This is big. Ethereum had a very solid run to the upside, still inside its descending fractal. Bitcoin exploded. I mean, we're talking about quite a huge run. I mean, from bottom, which we're not going to count, we're up 20%, but from breakout, we're talking like a 10% run, which is insane. We have QQQ, which opened up much higher than where we closed as of Friday here, and we are still consolidating, as I do believe we'll fill this in. Same thing with the stock market here as we start to consolidate forward, but overall, we look really good. So I'm happy to say there's a good chance this week we could start to ascend higher, which is what we're all patiently waiting for. This was a huge opportunity yesterday to take advantage of, and it's still not too late. So if you guys missed out on the chance to be buying in last night into that rally to the upside here, there may still be hope, which is what we're going to go over in today's episode. But with all that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is giving away up to $11,000 in free bonus cryptocurrency, which is insane. They have dramatically reduced the deposit amount, so depositing $100 can get you a $50 bonus. 500 can get you 200, all the way up to $11,000 in free bonus cryptocurrency. They did increase the volume, but that is a trade-off you guys need to consider, because you can either do a lower deposit and get a higher volume, or you can go to the reward center on the website and get a higher deposit with a lower trade volume and get similar bonuses here, up to $8,000 in free bonus cryptocurrency, which is insane. A lot of you guys have actually taken advantage of this bonus. I'm surprised as to how many whales there are actually out there. But for those with less trading or less, to deposit here, it is still a way for you guys to take advantage of free bonus cryptocurrency and for sure use it to your advantage. So more information about BYDFI later on in today's episode, but you can see here the current coin market cap, XRP, is exploding. And I know it only shows we're up 0.6%, which is insane. Doesn't even make any sense here. 2.6 when XRP right here is also at 2.6. I guess we did reverse down a little bit here, but when you take a gander, 2.18 up to $3 is a 38% run. And now we're down to a 19% run. So without a doubt, we've definitely rallied to the upside here. It only shows we're up 7%, but there was a significant run that did take place here. I don't know why it's registering as lower, another refresh, but still showing 7%. But across the board, we've actually managed to explode from what was at one point extremely low. We were trading at 20. Just a day or two ago, 20 on the Fear and Greed Index. It's now all the way up to 39. So typically, when we start to rank really low, nearing the bottom, or in the fear or extreme fear category, we're talking the lower end here, it shows better opportunities to buy in and take advantage of it. Why buy in when we're in extreme greed when you can buy in when we're in extreme fear and capitalize off the run? Some of these cryptos exploded. Cardano's up 34%, and there's even more that are up quite a substantial bit. You can see here a lot of these ones that we're not too familiar with, Dog with Hat we are, up 19-20% here. It was quite a substantial rally nonetheless, and I think there's a very valid chance we could continue to scale higher. Look at the consolidation and the rally that happened just on Monday or on Sunday here. It's interesting that Monday now causes us to correct to the downside, but we are still above major vital resistances, which is huge. Like XRP, we have been battling this major downtrend since January 16th. And for the first time in like 3 months, we have exploded past it and confirmed closure above it. Yes, we're confirming closure down, or sorry, we're starting to head down, but we're holding this support. And there's a chance we could start to kind of drift up and head higher now that we're finally outside a major resistance. So there is still time left. If you put in your entry points, if you got in on this, obviously take profits. But even here, there's a good chance now, as long as we don't close below it. If we close below it, then it was a bull trap. That if we close exactly where we are tonight in 7 hours and 50 minutes, there is a very, very high chance and high probability we are going to start our ascent to the upside, which, as we've suggested, was definitely necessary, as this is a beautiful bull flag and we are looking for the reversal rally as we have retested moving average and a lot of other solid support levels. So I'm pretty excited if you ask me. And this should hopefully start to influence these other cryptocurrencies to veer up. Solana as well, it looks pretty cool, but we'll talk about that in a second. But definitely make sure to take advantage of these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want is offered on BYDFI, which is insane. They have a derivatives account here, which you guys can obviously take advantage of here, which gives you, opportunities to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses. They have trailing stop losses. You have market orders, stop limit orders, take profit stop losses, reduce onlys. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. They're constantly updating. They are constantly innovating. This is obviously an updated version. I think they must have done it over this weekend here, but they are always improving. I've been using them for like 3 to 4 years now, and they are here to stay, and they are very good. So definitely make sure to check them out. Like I said, link down in the description. And on top of the reward center, the free bonus crypto that you can take advantage of here of 8,100 and the 11K sign up bonus, they even have, where are we? The demo trading account, which is my favorite. This gives you 50K in demo money to practice trading your skills. You get up to 200x leverage here. Learn the exchange, get familiar with trading crypto on the exchange using demo money. If you can make successful trades in a row, then head on over to the live account and use the bonus money. If you're getting 10 unsuccessful trades, you probably shouldn't trade with real crypto. This is your way of finding it all out, which is excellent if you ask me. So definitely make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. But aside from BYDFI and XRP, looking at Solana here, look at this. Beautiful rally up. Lower high, lower low down. We've confirmed closure as of yesterday above major resistance. We fell down a hair, but it looks like we have bottomed out. Like it looks like we've reversed out of the downtrend. We're now forming an uptrend. So yeah, even with the correction, we're headed up to moving average. We have broken, which has been since January 19th, a major downtrend. We have officially broken above that. That is insane, and that is huge, and that should now start the ascent to the upside here. So this now screams buy-in opportunities. Ethereum hasn't done it. We have some room to go, but I do believe we'll be heading up here. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. We haven't broken above major resistance just yet, but I do believe we did retest it. I do believe we're going to come back and retest it again. And if we can break through that yellow resistance as, XRP and Solana have just done, we'll see all these cryptos. We'll see Ethereum and we'll see Bitcoin explode to the upside. So I'm very excited. Hopefully, QQQ and the stock market follow, as I do believe they have bottomed, and there's a good chance now that they could start to head out. But again, what we're waiting for, and obviously this has re-solidified major support, is a breach above this yellow resistance, and the same thing goes with the stock market. You can see we are in a beautiful descending bull flag. We have held on to the moving average for dear life. We need to confirm closure above yellow band for the rally to actually take place. So I'm excited. Hopefully you are too. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.